Okay, students of class 6, let's see today exercise 7.1 of chapter 7, Introduction to Algebra. So that is the name of the chapter, Introduction to Algebra, and exercise 7.1. The first question is find the rule which gives the number of matchsticks required to make a pattern of n such shapes. Okay, so if you see the shapes, then what rule is applicable there? It is 5 times of n plus 1, where this n stands for the sequence of the pattern, the series number, suppose pattern number 1 or pattern number 2. So for pattern number 1, how many matchsticks will be required? So this is the n is the number of the pattern. Suppose first one, number 1, for the first pattern, the rule 5n plus 1, so n is 1, that means the first pattern, so 5 into n. Now n is 1, that means the first one, so 5 into 1 is 5 and plus 1 6. That means in the first pattern of the series we will have 6 matchsticks. If the second pattern, how many matchsticks? Then altogether, to make 2 patterns, we will say 2 here, because we are finding the second one, 2, and we will get the answer. Now second one, number B, again is of matchsticks, and the rule there will be 5n plus 2. Question number 2, state which of the following are algebraic expressions and which are arithmetic expressions. So the first one, you have 22x minus 11a, number B 6x np, number C 12 plus bracket 5 into 4 bracket close minus 15, number D 5, number E s. So algebraic expressions are number A 22x minus 11a, number B 6x np, and number E, where you have only s. Now having simply s means it is 1 into s, 1s. So it is 1s where 1 is omitted, 1 is not written. So we should always understand that whenever we see only one variable, that means it is multiplying with 1 into s. If you have simply x, that is 1 into x, 1x. Okay. Now arithmetic expressions where only numbers are there in the expression, those are arithmetic expressions, such as number C and number D. Now question number 3 is specify the variables and the terms in the following algebraic expressions. We have to separate the variables and the terms, or we have to say which are variables here and which are terms. So variables in the first case, number A 4n plus 2, variable is n, and the terms are 4n and plus 2. So here should be one comma, sorry, it should be 4n and comma, then 2. Those are the 2 terms here. There are 2 terms, 4n and 2. So it should be 4n and 2. Okay, not plus, it should be comma. Then in case of 13ab plus 2c, so variables here are a, b and c. Okay, and the terms are 13ab, that is the first term, and 2c, that is the second term. So remember, here should be one comma. Then number 4a. Fourth question is write the statements explaining the following algebraic expressions. Also write the terms of each algebraic expression. number A 15 minus x. We have to write one expression, word, like just like word problem for that. So we may write it as a number x. So here is a number whose value is unknown. Whenever the value is unknown, we may use the alphabetical letters which are called variables. So a number, here we see that a number is being subtracted from 15, or a number less than 15. So we can say it in different order, different ways. It's like a number x less than 15, or we may also write it differently, like a number x subtracted from 15. And here the terms are 15 and the other term is x. Actually it should be minus x. Minus x. Then number C. In C, 3 by 2, 2 by 3p and plus 5. Okay. So here the answer can be written as 5 is added to the product of a number p and 2 by 3. Then the sum is multiplied by 3 by 2, which is done here. First inside the bracket, Bodmas rule, and then the sum of these will be multiplied with 3 by 2. And here the terms will be p and 15 by 2. Now how we will get p and 15 by 2? That I have shown it here. Because if you calculate it, finally, at the end you will get the result as p plus 15 by 2. How? Because 3 by 2 will multiply with 2 by 3p. So 3 by 2 into 2 by 3p, cancelling all, 2 gets cancelled, 3 and 3 gets cancelled, only p is left. So for this particular expression we get p, and plus again 3 by 2, because here was plus, so plus sign. Again 3 by 2 will multiply with 5. So 3 by 2 multiplied by 5, or say 5 by 1. Cannot cancel, so 5 3 is 15 and 2, 15 by 2. So we get p plus 15 by 2. Actually the result of this is p plus 15 by 2. Hence in this we will have to see what are the terms. The terms are p and the other term is 15 by 2, where p is variable and this is constant. Okay, so similarly you can start doing this exercise 7.1. Thank you.